Hola chicas, Pablo, how are you? How are you, my friend? How are you, my friend? You are so cute and I love you. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be a big mistake, I can already tell, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I was actually planning on filming another video because I bought so many amazing Halloween costumes for Pablo to try on, and it was going to be one of the most beautiful videos ever. But unfortunately, Pablo really does not like to get dressed. Oh my god. Papa? So that meant that I had to come up with a new video idea. And I thought, it is spooky season, right? And what is something that is absolutely terrifying and fits the spooky season? And that is me with no brows. So in today's video, I'm going to bleach my brows. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing me ruin my face, then please keep on watching. Oh god, I'm not sure if I actually should do this or not. What am I doing to myself? So yeah, I don't know. Let's just get started, I guess. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing that. So yeah, these are my brows right now. I'm actually in the process of growing them out because I want to have bushy brows. But I'm going to bleach them right now, so I don't think I'm gonna have bushy brows. I think they're gonna fall off and I'm not gonna have any brows left after this video. But that's okay, they grow back, hopefully. I'm not sure, but I think they do. So I got me bleach. Let's just make a concoction and put it on my face. Also, I have very sensitive skin, so I'm not sure how my body is gonna react to this, but you know, we'll find out. Pablo is judging me. Honestly, I get it. Oh god! Why am I like this? I haven't really watched any tutorials on how to bleach your brows because honestly, I'm not the kind of person who makes great decisions in their life. So I'm just going to put it on my face and see what happens. Oh man. It's already burning a little bit, so I'm not sure if that is supposed to happen, but I don't think so. Does this mean that I'm going to have roots on my brows? I'm gonna have to bleach the roots of my brows. Well, I'm so scared of it falling into my eyeball. I mean, there's a lot of things that I do not know, but I definitely know that bleach in your eyeballs is not good. Ooh. I told my boyfriend that I was going to bleach my brows and he nearly cried. Poor boy, had no idea what he was getting himself into when he asked me to be his girlfriend. Oh. My brows are covered in bleach. Oh my god, I just realized that I'm gonna have to walk around with bleached brows. I look terrifying with no brows. Oh god, I really hope this is gonna look good, but I don't think so. Oopsie! 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 It still really burns, by the way, but I'm just going to try and ignore that, okay? It's fine, there's nothing going on, don't worry about me. Okay, I'm just going to sit and chill and regret all the decisions that I just made. And then I'm going to be back in like 10 or 15 minutes. And then I'm going to take it off and see how crazy I look. Hello, I am back. And Pablo is still asleep. Pablo. Hey. Oh, you pretty boy. I kind of forgot to keep track of time because I was just sitting here scrolling through my phone when I suddenly realized that I had bleach on my forehead. So I have absolutely no idea how long this has been sitting on my eyebrows. I hope they're still gonna be there when I take the bleach off. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god! What have I done? Oh no. Oh no. My boyfriend was right. Oh my god. Oh. Woohoo! I honestly have no idea what I should say right now. Oh my god. My poor eyebrows. What have I done to you? Okay, since there is no way getting back anymore, I'm just going to continue by putting some silver shampoo in my brows because they are a little bit yellow right now. So let's just do that. Hey look, my brows are back! Hey! Honestly, this is all his fault. Pablo. Yeah, it's your fault. Because if he would have just worn the outfit that I bought him, I wouldn't be sitting here with no eyebrows. You know what the good thing is about having no brows? Is that I do not have to wake up every morning and do my eyebrows because I absolutely hate doing my eyebrows. I'm so bad at doing my eyebrows. So, you know, now I'm thinking about it, this might not be the worst decision that I've ever made in my entire life because it's honestly gonna make my life so much easier. I mean, yeah, I look absolutely ridiculous, but my life is a little bit easier, so that's definitely a good thing. Maybe I should just like put some makeup on my eyes. Maybe that's gonna make it look a little bit better. So let's just get some eyeliner and see if it's gonna make me look less terrifying. Please make this look better, okay? I beg you. Please help me out. I put some makeup on my face. Oh, the bleach has reached my brain at this point, so I'm sorry for my weird behavior. When I was just doing my makeup, I actually took like a good look at myself with my non-existent eyebrows, and actually, I think I actually like it. I mean, yeah, I still look kind of weird though, not gonna lie. But it is also a look, okay? It's not gonna be a permanent look for me, but I do kind of like it. I don't know. I think I'm slowly starting to love it. Pablo. What do you think? I kind of accidentally bleached my skin as well. I don't know if you can see it, but like the skin around my eyebrows is actually a lot lighter than the rest of my face. So yeah, hopefully I'll get my pigment back in a few days, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I actually do like it, which I didn't expect. But the true question is, how is my boyfriend going to react? So I think I'm just gonna wait for him to get home and then I'm going to film his reaction because I really want to know what he thinks of this. I don't know, I think he might even like it too. Or not, I don't know. I mean, every time he comes back from work, he has a completely different girlfriend. Okay, let's wait for him to get home and then I'm going to show his reaction. Okay guys. Leslie is here.
What have you done? What have you done?
Oh. This is my face now. I hope you like it.
Well, it's good that you have a lot of makeup. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
I just said that I thought I actually liked it. When I put it on, I thought it looked horrible. Then I put some makeup on and then I was like, oh, I think I actually like it. But I think I just changed my mind again and I think that I look absolutely ridiculous. You can't even see it if I move my brow. But I was just thinking, like, I actually got a lot of brow products.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Yeah. They even have a color that's the same as my hair color.
Wow.
So...
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Should I try it on?
Yeah, try it on.
I don't think that this makes it any better, to be honest.
Are you proud of yourself?
I hate myself. Am I pretty again now?
Absolutely.
So yeah, guys, this was today's mistake.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.
I think I'm gonna get gonna get scared tomorrow when I look in the mirror when I wake up.
Yeah, me too when I wake up and look at you.
So, okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's spooky video. Today's Halloween tutorial. I hope you guys like it a little bit more than he likes it. And I hope you like my brows more than I like it, because I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna like them again in like 5 minutes, because I'm very indecisive. So
yeah. You never know.
You never know with me.
You never know.
So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Oh.
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 Bye.
Bye bye.